Welcome back. It's 9:22. So when you think of NASA, you probably think of the future of space exploration. But today, NASA is celebrating the planet that's under our feet and in our hearts.
That's right. NASA has a whole fleet of missions looking down at Earth to help us learn more about it. And here to celebrate Earth Day with, David, myself, and of course, Justin Horn, is NASA Earth scientist Bridget Seegers. Good morning.
Good morning. Great to be here.
So, Bridget, our first question is, what is NASA's connection to Earth Day?
That's a great question. A lot of people are surprised to learn that part of NASA's original mission was actually to study the Earth from space. And we've been doing it for over 50 years. So there's a whole bunch of satellites out in space. They're keeping track of all different things from air quality to what's going on in the oceans, our atmosphere, and a lot of focus on what we're doing on land as well.
Just fascinating stuff. And we use these satellites every day. Since we're celebrating Earth Day today, what's been going on here on Earth? What has NASA observed over the last 5 decades?
Right, with this long data set, 50 years of data, we can watch how the Earth has changed. And we've been noticing all different types of changes. So a lot of focus right now when we talk about change is climate change. So with the satellites, we can see the sea ice, the ice caps melting. We can see those changes. We can actually measure the sea level rise. We can keep track of changes in the forest cover and land uses like that. But there's also a lot of great success stories too. So the ozone hole, that was something we used to hear a lot about. And we've seen it improve through time, and we've been measuring those changes. And another one is sometimes when we put in rules to kind of clean up the air, we can actually see those changes and improvement in air quality.
And that's definitely the big picture. So how does all of this Earth science related work NASA does impact our community here in the South?
So because we have that global perspective, we can also focus on different regions of the planet. So a lot of in the South right now and in the West, we're worried a lot about drought. So NASA has different satellites that are focused on drought. So we're monitoring drought conditions in real time, but also trying to use that data to make predictions of what it might be like in the near future and in the distant future. So people can do better with planning and, prepare for what's coming our way.
And that's important stuff for the drought that we have going on right now here in South Texas. I understand NASA has a number of Earth science missions this year. Is there one you're most excited about?
It's always exciting to be doing NASA Earth Science. There's always something new to go up into space. We have this big mission right now in our group where I'm in the Ocean Ecology Lab, and it's called PACE. And the P stands for plankton, so the little microscopic things in the ocean. And it also focuses on aerosols and clouds and the ocean ecosystem. So that's a really exciting mission. We're going to have a whole new type of data that we've never seen from space before and be able to figure out what's going on in our oceans and how that connects to the atmosphere.
Very cool. Well, Bridget Seegers, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you. Happy Earth Day.
Yes, happy Earth Day.